So now let's add a fade to the beginning of our video and a fade out to the end of our video. When we were working with audio, we used the pen tool to make points on the white line that runs through our sound wave. With video, we're going to just use the selector tool. So I have my selector tool selected. I'm going to hover my mouse over the beginning of a track. And when I have this red bracket, I'm going to control click or right click and then select Apply Default Transition. I'm going to move my playhead over and zoom in using the plus key on my keyboard and see that I have this cross dissolve box on my video clip as well as my audio clip. Because my interview had both a video and audio segment that were linked when they were brought into the timeline, that fade, that natural default transition, was applied to both. Let's see what that looks like real quick. So I'm at the beginning and hit space.
Wake up in the morning,
So we see she slowly fades in, or she kind of cross dissolves in. She was transparent, now she's fully there. And the same thing for her audio. She was quieter at the beginning and then she fully came to full volume.
wake up in the morning, cup of coffee.
So now let's go to the end and do the same thing. I'm just going to grab this scroll bar and go to the end, bring my mouse over. When it goes to the edge of that video, I get the red bracket. I'll hit Control and click, and then Apply Default Transition. And then I get the cross dissolve, constant power fades at the end. So let's watch that.
And other university commitments.
And so that's a nice end for something that would have otherwise been a little bit abrupt.